Oh wow guys, this definitely has the wow factor. Look at this property, really beautiful. I'm going to walk over here first, and you have some plants or planted throughout. Beautiful pool just here. So let's go up and have a look around. I love investigating property, I really do, and this is just awesome. So you have got the shower here, beautiful furniture. You've got a lovely seating area there by the pool. That's quite a large pool as well. Like, nice area to lounge around as well. So I'm just going in here to have a look. Now you have got insect netting here, and this is a beautiful area for your friends and family to come and just enjoy that pool area, isn't it? Absolutely fabulous. So this property really has the wow factor. Got fantastic tiles there. We'll investigate the back. So you have your area here to make lunch for your family and friends, and you've got a sink and drainer. You've got everything here. Honest to God, you've got a large fridge, got pizza oven, microwave, chip fryer, everything. This is really beautiful, and you've got a lovely area for your outside dining. And as you can see, this is just netting, comes off easy, and you're out here in the pool area. What more could you want? This is such a relaxing place to live and to have a holiday. So let's go inside now, and we'll have a look around the main house. So we're just inside the D of the property. You have got a ceiling light and fan, and this is really done really nicely and comfortably. You've got records on the windows, you've got insect screens, and you've got blackout blinds. You've got a beautiful view of the pool from the D. It's all fully enclosed. So let me check out the main house now. So just inside here, you've got this very Spanish solid door. Directly behind the door, you have got storage. Double wardrobe and overhead storage. So as I pan around, as you can see, it's a beautiful large living space here. And I love the marble floor, absolutely fantastic. So I'm going to take you through the archway and we'll have a look at the bedrooms. This is a Neptuno style villa. And we go in here, which is the master bedroom. And as you can see, you've got aircon here. You've got blackout blinds and insect screens on the windows. And I'm just over at the other angle of the room, just to give you an idea of the room and how spacious it is. So I'm going to carry on, and we go down into the ensuite. Now this is a beautiful ensuite here. You have frosted glass window. You have your shower with a clear screen on the shower. You've got your WC, and you've got his and her sink here. So in the shower they've got these very decorative tiling going on. It's really beautiful. And as you can see, that double sink there, illuminated with the light and the mirror overhead. You also got a heater over the door, and you got your shaving socket on that side of the room as well. So let me take you out. And I really do love this marble flooring, which is carried out throughout the house. Really beautiful. So, and in here you have a nice shower with a clear screen. It's all done out on a mosaic tiling. You've got your WC, and you've got a lovely vanity unit inset here in nice mahogany, and you've got that beautiful flooring as well. So just in here you've got his and her wardrobes. You've got aircon. It's quite a nice sized bedroom. You've got your very ornate breakers on the windows, and you've got your insect screens as well. Just going to pan around the bedroom, give it at another angle so you can get a good feel of the room. You can fit 2 single beds in here if you want it, or bunk beds, whichever you need. Okay. So we're leaving here now, and we are going back through the living room here. It's a nice space, as you can see. And just directly over here is your dining area. So in your dining area you have got aircon again. And it's beautifully decorated, this room. Just through here is the kitchen. It's newly fitted kitchen. Got these lovely tiles, really beautiful, integrated microwave and oven. You've got your very large fridge freezer there, and just over at the other end you have your electric hob. If I pan around, you have got your sink and drainer, your dishwasher and your washing machine. Really lovely kitchen. I'm going to come down this end, and I'm just going to pan around for you, nice and slowly, to give you a good view of the room. So now I'm going to turn around. I'm going to go out through the back door here and up the stairs. So the staircase in this villa has been enclosed. So let's see you upstairs, guys. So we're inside into the top box. And you've got your terrace just outside there. As you can see, you've got aircon and you've got a porthole window. Usually the porthole windows are at the top of the stairs. It's slightly different at this property. It's quite nice. So let me go in here. This is your ensuite through here. So you have a shower here, a rain head shower, all very nicely done, totally upgraded. I do like the very decorative tiles on here as well. So you've got your rain head shower, your clear screen, Your nice modern vanity unit, sink and mirror, and of course your WC with those beautiful tiles below. So let me take you out of the bathroom, and of course just above the door you've got your overhead heater as well. So we've come from the bathroom, and you can see it's quite a large double bedroom. Through those windows is your beautiful terrace, but for a change I'm going to take you through the other way. I'm going to take you through this door. Just going to pan around to show you the room again. And let's take it the other way. So we'll go through this door, and this brings us out onto the terrace here. And you have got some storage there. All the terrace here is all tiled, and you have very decorative balustrade, and just beyond that are some spectacular views. Oh my goodness, look at the views from here. I'll focus in for you guys now. So these are the views for miles around, really beautiful, and the countryside. So you've got your outside light there, your dawn to dusk light, and your decorative wreckers. I won't go back in that way, I'll go through the side entrance and we'll go back down the stairs. So as you can see, it's nicely illuminated, beautiful marble steps as well. So see you downstairs, guys. So I've just come back down the stairs, and we're coming back through this beautiful kitchen, and we go through the dining area and out to the front of the property. So I'm just going to pan around quickly to give you another glimpse of this beautiful room here. Really lovely. And let's go outside. You have this lovely rockery here as well. And just here I have an underbuilt. So let me take you inside. It's nice and comfortable for me to stand up in. It's another couple of feet above my head, so there is plenty of room, and you could easily reform this if you wanted. It's been used as a workshop at the moment and storage. How wonderful is this house? Really beautiful. So I'm here at the back of the property, and you have off-road parking here for one car. You have an electric gate there as well. You could probably fit 2 cars in here side by side. I would say so, definitely. There is a few areas that are dotted around where you've got water points. You've got plenty of drainage, and everything's been done to this property. Oh, so this brings you back into this lovely seating area again, where you can just relax and enjoy.